Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Plant Yard. You can see that we have a mature plant of Senecio hippogriff, or it is also called as Curio peregrinus. Okay, now you can see that we have some of its mature branches. One is a bit long while one is a bit short. One mother of thousand plant is also in the pot. Okay, now we will try to propagate it from the stem cutting. So we will take a stem. Okay, now we have cut down one of our stem. Now we need to place it for 1 or 2 days for in order to heal the wound. Okay, because where there is cut, there is wound. Okay, so it must have to be dried and calloused over. Callus is a small membrane. Okay, which help a plant to resist against the fungal infections. Now this is our second cutting, and now we also need to remove the lower leaves. Why this is so? Because when the leaves get in contact with the media, they can help in fungal rot. Okay, they can cause rotting, so that is why we need to remove all the lower leaves. Okay, now we need to place these inside the shade. Okay, do not place them in the sun. Okay, on 13th of July 2022. Now we have our media, which consists of 50% sand and 50% simple garden soil. So it is very well drained because there is a lot of sand content in it. Okay, it do not use to accumulate water. Okay, now we need to put them. Okay, and one more thing, that these stems are now dried. Okay, now we need to put the water. Now you can see that how well drained our soil is. Now you can see that our water just goes down. Okay, because now we will level our media with the help of anything. And now this is okay. Now you can see that it is totally dried up. Okay, now we will put our strings of dolphin or Curio peregrinus plant stems in the media. Okay, now the second one stem condition is not so much good. Okay, because it is very thin, but we will try to propagate it out. And you can see that at this time there is a little bit direct sun, but you need to place them within the full shade. Okay, if in bright light but in shade. Okay, so now we will wait for results. So on 14th of August 2022, now we can see the results. We can see the results of these plants now. One of our, okay, one or two of them used to survive. Okay, after 1 month. The now you can see that there is some sort of like leaf burning. Okay, why it is so? Because I have placed it in the sun. Okay, for some days it is placed inside the sun. So okay, like this thing. Okay, now you can see some growth on the root side. Okay, now we will take out our stem cuttings. Oh, I have broken some roots. Okay, while pulling it out, some roots are broken down, but still there are some roots. Okay, now we will take care for like second one and this one. Okay, wait. Okay, the whole media used to come with its roots. So okay, now we will tape it down, we will tape it out, and we will see all the roots. Okay, now you can see the roots. There are a lot of roots on it. Okay, now there are roots, healthy roots with this one, and from where we have cut down the stems, now there are new shooting. Okay, so in this way you can propagate your Senecio hippogriff or strings of dolphin plant. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.